Hey, check this one out from Allied Boats from Washington State. Their P23 hardtop. This is a lockable pilot house with Yamaha's incredible 4-stroke 200 on the back. For boatdealers.ca, this is Rick Lazell. The stern section of the Mustang P23 incorporates some great family and functional features. Up on the top deck here, we've got a nice sized bait well as well as a generously sized cutting board. Down on the floor, really nice big fish box. We've got a couple of service access doors here for systems, and there's an additional storage box that gives you access to your main cranking battery on the starboard side of the boat. So here's a couple of great interior features. Whether your passion is big water fishing or simply taking your friends and family and crew over to your island access cottage, we've got marine grade vinyl flooring, nice touch. This is also a full self-draining hull design, meaning any water or issues that get on the floor are going to push themselves into the drainage feature. Now check this out. We've also got a full washdown system for that vinyl floor, meaning jump in here, push the button, and we've got the ability to wash the complete floor down. Here's a couple of great features that Allied Boats incorporates into the pilot house door. Number one, this latching system. Nice, tough, rugged. You know that's going to stay in position. Number two, when it's time to tuck your gear away, if you're done, if you're leaving the cottage, heading back to the city, this pilot house is fully lockable, keeping your gear safe and secure. So here's some smart features once again from Allied Boats. Underneath the gunnel on both the starboard and port side, you'll find 3 rod and reel combo holders, nice setup, as well as both sides have integrated this diamond plate step, and I note they even added some non-skid up on the top of the gunnel for egress in and out of the boat. There's a lot to be said about the helm station here in the P23. For me, it starts with this beautiful shockwave seat system. That's going to absorb and cushion any bounce as you're making your way to the cottage or the construction site. But let's take a look here on the starboard side. Proper access with an armrest to my Yamaha control system. Down below, lots and lots of storage. Really appreciate that cup holder down there. Lenco trim tabs here on the starboard side of the dash. Our Yamaha digital gauges. And check this out, folks. No toggle switch. This is all push button electronic controls for our systems on the boat. We've got a USB chargers, 12-volt chargers here. Beautiful steering wheel. Love the center control knob. Top side of the dash here, you notice there's lots of room for you to customize the P23. Whatever charts or graphs or fish finders you want, lots of room to install them. And check out the massive height of this beautiful welded windshield setup. So much room and so much space in here. I also appreciated the size of these massive windows on both the starboard side as well as over to port. Check out the attention to detail in the pilot section of the Mustang 23 from Allied Boats. Here's the first thing that caught my attention. These welded grab handles. There's actually 5 of them here in the interior, all welded to the structure. Nice, you know that's good and solid. Extensive use of carpeting up in the headliner section that I noted earlier actually stretches all the way over into these little storage pockets on both port and starboard side. We've also got on port and starboard these vinyl treated headliner components that lead us into the interior lighting. We've got lights on both sides of the boat. Appreciate that. And this little piece really caught my attention. All interior exposed wiring is all tucked away nice and neat and tidy in wiring looms. So here's something that Allied Boats did that I really like. We saw so much use of diamond plate throughout the exterior and interior of the boat. They've now brought diamond stitching up into the seating area. Really cool touch. It certainly has a great aesthetic appeal to it. Underneath these seats, there's one here on the starboard and another one on the port side. Massive storage compartments. One little change I would like to see, I noticed these are regular cloth straps. I'd like to see a ram under there for security. The benefit though of storage, absolute home run. Egress to the bow section of the boat is done through this nice high tall doorway. I noticed right away an in-floor self-draining storage compartment, and then my eyes moved over to the use of non-skid on the floor as well as up on the bow deck. I also appreciate the fact we've got beautiful tall bow rails here on both sides of the boat. And this entire bow section, there's actually 2 self-draining storage systems built in here to keep everything dry. The hull design incorporates a number of important features. We've got a 35-degree bow entry, a 15-degree dead rise, reverse chines, full welded lifting strakes, and what that means to you is confident performance in all water conditions. Here's Rick's picks for this Allied Boats P23 hardtop Mustang. Pick number 1, the Pilot House. Not only is it incredibly quiet and beautiful to run, it's lockable, your gear's safe. Pick number 2, those shockwave seats. Holy comfort, it's fantastic. Pick number 3, the ride of this hull. I expected a welded aluminum boat to be loud. It rides so quiet, unbelievable from Allied Boats. The P23 hardtop Mustang from Allied Boats. Fit, function, performance. Island cottage, hardcore fishing, or construction workboat, this package has it all. Powered up with Yamaha's 4-stroke 200, what an exceptional pairing. For BoatDealers.ca, this is Rick Lazell.